I'm Patrick Walsh, the Director of Operations here at Portland Kettle Works. We just got done finishing up a brew day here for our EntreBREWneur class. It's our operations class here held at our brewery, Brewery in Portland, Oregon, where we welcome clients of ours, really anyone that wants to come in and have an experience and spend 4 days learning about the craft brewing industry, learning about what it takes to start a craft brewery, and then what it takes to actually brew beer.
So we saw that they offered the workshop, and it's kind of a brewery operations workshop. So it focuses on the business side and also the practical brewing side. And so for us, I'm the business side and my husband is the brewing side. And so it was a perfect way for both of us to get enough information about each other's parts of the job to understand where we're coming from, but we still get to kind of be the experts in our areas.
I mean, everything we looked at, nobody else offered that.
Yeah.
It was ship it to your door, set it up yourself, no help at all. And especially as people, which a lot of people that come into this business are starting fresh. Not everybody knows how to use a system. A lot of people don't. A lot of us are homebrewers that want to take our passion and make it a business. And so just to set something on your doorstep and say, set it up, that's not something that we could really settle with. And so with PKW, coming to this class and getting the help and having all this, it's a resource that nobody else will give you.
We really quickly realized that it wasn't just about equipment, right? There was so much that needed to happen for these businesses to be successful. Using our experience of building brewing equipment, over the last 10 years and really give people an option to, be successful.
The level of support provided with the classes, with the build outs, with people coming to actually help you brew on your equipment if you want to, and then any emails, phone calls, texts have just been fantastic. So
the engineering and the durability, really it comes down to our ability to stay focused on our engineering and come out with new products to move these craft brewers options forward, staying at the forefront of our processes in our shop here in Portland. Everything is American made. We have 18 welders here on site, working day in and day out to make sure that everything is in its place and perfect and operating properly. Not only does it operate properly, but also that it looks beautiful in your space as well, because it also needs to look really, really good.
There are several reasons why we picked PKW. I was impressed with the quality of their product. I wanted to concentrate on making the beer and not concentrate on whether something was going to go wrong or the reliability of the equipment. So Trent and Patrick have been excellent.
Like that first day with Thad in the classroom, even though it was just a classroom setting, it just seemed like you're talking to someone who knows everything about the business. It was really, I feel like, instrumental in myself, just kind of calming my nerves about that side, and just being a great resource.
And the record speaks for it. I mean, they've got 97%
success rate.
Success rate. That's because that alone says, hey, we're here with y'all.
yeah, I would say that PKW is a fantastic supplier for people who have a learning curve when it comes to the brewing industry and really want to get on their feet as quickly as they can and start making really good beer and start making a profit. And they're just a really great company to do that very quickly with.